Let's make these sterling silver flower earrings from heart shapes. Place 5 of the hearts on a soldering block so that they touch each other, and where they touch, add a bit of solder paste. Heat all of the hearts up really gently using a handheld blowtorch until that solder melts and flows. This will create your flower shape, which you can then quench and add to safety pickle. Repeat this process to create your second earring. Add a bit of solder paste into the middle of your flower and then place on top your silver bead cap end. Use your handheld blowtorch to heat up the entire flower until that solder paste melts and flows. Quench your flower again and then add it to the safety pickle. You'll need to do this to your other flower to create your other earring. Add some shine to your flowers using a silver polishing cloth. Using 2 pairs of pliers, grip the hoop on your earring hook wire and then twist to open. Thread on your flower and then close that hoop on your earring hook wire. Repeat this to create your second earring.